Hey friends, welcome to another Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt. This is Ghost Town for Wild West, Clue 6 in the small size. And in Clue 6 we have 2 blocks, pretty easy sew, took me about 25 minutes. I will be sewing on a new machine. I still have my Juki, but I did upgrade my embroidery machine in December. I got a Bernina, and so I will be using the Bernina today to put these blocks together. So I hope that you enjoy the video. Let's get right into the inventory. All right, let's go ahead and get through this inventory. There aren't very many pieces, so this hopefully should go pretty quickly. In our small triangles, you should have 4 fabric C, 4 fabric D, 8 fabric F. In your larger triangles, you should have 2 of fabric B, 2 of fabric D, and 4 of fabric F. In your squares, you should have 4 of fabric D, and in your rectangle, you should have 2 fabric F. All right, so as you may have noticed, there's a new machine here. I do still have the Juki, but this is replacing my embroidery machine, and I'm really excited to sew a block on my Bernina. So anyways, let's get to sewing. This clue only has 8 steps, couple of flying geese that we're going to be doing, and so hopefully this goes by pretty quickly. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the sewing like I normally do, and then I will meet you back once I have completed the block. So enjoy! 6. These 2 blocks are done. It was really fun to sew. I really enjoy sewing on my Bernina. We obviously still have some growing to do together. I have only done machine embroidery on my Bernina, so this is the first time I've done any quilt blocks, and there's a little bit of growing to do with my machine. We'll figure each other out. I plan to continue to use the Bernina for these quilt blocks. The stitches are gorgeous. Um, as always, I hope that you liked the video. I will be publishing Clue 7 hopefully on schedule. I know that Clue 6 is a little bit late because I was out of town. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. If you like these videos, please go ahead, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will be doing the next puzzle mystery quilt, which is spring 2025. I did sign up. I'm only doing one colorway. I am also doing this small size again. And that should be coming out, I think, in February. Signups are still going on. Colorways are selling out. So if you are interested in the next puzzle mystery quilt for spring, go ahead and check the description below. There are links to the Cotton Cuts website. And if you are, go ahead, take a picture of your flat Nancy and load it to the website. I have forgotten and I was out of town, so there's no way that I'm going to be in the running for anything, but you should just do it. Get it done. You still have time, especially for this block. So I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!